Amazing machines and tools, operating at an insane level. Part 4. Can you hear it? That screech of metal, that burst of air like the breath of a steel beast coming alive. The heartbeat of the production line echoes, steady, cold, flawless. That's not just the sound of machinery, it's the music of the future. Across the globe, from Germany and Japan to the United States, millions of factory machines are running at insane levels of performance. Cutting, pressing, assembling, welding. Every second, hundreds of parts are crafted with precision down to 1,000th of a millimeter. No errors, no emotion, only speed and absolute accuracy. But behind those cold machines lies human life. Engineers, mechanics, people who've dedicated their lives to making steel think and even feel. You're looking at the world of amazing machines and tools operating at an insane level, where technology doesn't just serve humanity, it moves in rhythm with it. Picture this: a production line stretching hundreds of meters, thousands of sensors firing in sync, red laser beams scanning sheets of steel, 6-axis robotic arms spinning like dancers in a mechanical ballet. Every twist, every drop, executed with perfect precision. And in that moment, raw material becomes art. A lifeless sheet of aluminum turns into an aircraft engine part. A cold block of iron transforms into a drive shaft that powers the world. Industrial machines, they don't get tired. They don't slow down. They don't know good enough. They only know how to optimize, accelerate, and push the limits of physics. But what truly captivates us isn't just their speed. It's that satisfying perfection when everything runs in harmony, like a flawless stream of motion. Every ball bearing, every drop of oil, every spark of light perfectly synchronized. These are the satisfying machines, not just because they feel amazing to watch, but because every movement carries the energy and intelligence of human creation. From ultra-precise smart tools in mechanical engineering to advanced automation systems powering intelligent factories, they're all shaping a new era, the era of the smart factory, where technology, data, and people move as one. This is no longer the age of heavy industry. It's the age of engineering intelligence, where every motion is programmed like a work of art. And if you've ever thought machines were just tools, you haven't witnessed the madness of perfection, when a robot can assemble 2,000 components in just minutes, or when an entire industrial process runs flawlessly without a single human touch. These machines don't just build products, they build trust in the future. So before we go any further, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Not just to watch the machines work, but to feel the heartbeat of modern technology. Because you're about to enter a world where engineering meets art, where steel has a soul, and where automation technology isn't a dream, it's a roaring reality right before your eyes. Behind every metallic screen lies the power of human intelligence. Behind every flawless laser cut, decades of research, calculation, and reinvention.
Automation technology doesn't just make machines faster, it makes the entire world smarter. In the most advanced factories, from smart facilities in South Korea to industrial automation systems across Europe, every motion is driven by data. Sensors capture every vibration. Robots learn from even the tiniest errors. AI systems predict failures before they happen. There's no room for randomness, only precision and speed beyond limits. A modern production line can do the work of hundreds in mere minutes. A single machine tool can auto-adjust its cutting speed to match material hardness. An automation system can coordinate thousands of robots in tight spaces. No collisions, no downtime. That's not just productivity. That's the art of optimization. Take a look at an automotive production line. Sheets of steel go in. Robots cut, press, weld, and assemble. Optical sensors and AI vision systems inspect every detail. Every second, a new car frame is born. Precise, consistent, flawless. And when you see the entire line moving like a living organism, you realize engineering is the heartbeat of the modern world. The true power of technology isn't in steel, electricity, or software. It's in the perfect harmony between humans and machines. Machines can do the impossible, but it's people who give them purpose. Today's smart tools are no longer just instruments, they're the extended hands of human intelligence. From CNC drill bits slicing through titanium at 20,000 RPM to robots 3D printing entire steel bridges, they all speak one truth. We don't build machines just to work. We build them to push the limits of what's possible. And when every process, from industrial systems to manufacturing lines, is connected into a complete smart factory, we're not just running a plant anymore. We're controlling a living, breathing engineering organism, where every stream of data is a bloodstream, every robot is a cell, and every decision is a heartbeat. Technology, when used right, doesn't take jobs away. It frees people from heavy labor so they can focus on creativity, design, and innovation. It doesn't kill craftsmanship, it elevates it to a whole new level. That's the true meaning of engineering technology. Not to replace humans, but to amplify human intelligence beyond limits. Take a moment. Behind every flawless production line, behind every massive industrial machine, who's really there? It's people, not software, not robots, but human minds, skilled hands, and bold dreams that breathe life into cold steel. When we look at a perfectly running smart factory, we often see the perfection of machines, but rarely the engineer who stayed awake for 20 hours fine-tuning a single algorithm, or the machinist who has spent years at the lathe learning every sound, every vibration by heart. These people don't appear in commercials, but they are the heartbeat of modern industry. No matter how advanced technology becomes, it's still just metal and circuitry until human hands bring it to life. Every robot that moves, every algorithm that runs, carries a piece of its creator's soul.
Look back through the history of engineering. From James Watt's first gear to today's fully automated systems, every great leap started with one simple question: can we make it better? That question pushed humanity past every limit, from a hammer to a robotic arm, from a small workshop to global smart factories. It all began with a refusal to accept boundaries. Technology doesn't replace humans, it amplifies them. It turns precision into speed, ideas into products, and dreams of the future into machines that move the world today. So when you see an automation line running in perfect harmony, don't just see the engineering, see the dedication of thousands of people, the programmers, the engineers, the machinists, the designers, the managers, all writing together the symphony of modern industry. Technology doesn't have a heart, but it's people who gave it a heartbeat. That's why when a robotic arm moves, we don't just see steel and mechanisms. We see creativity, perseverance, and the unstoppable drive to conquer the future. An inventor once said, "Machines never get tired, but humans, they're the ones who make them worth building." In every spark of a weld, every spinning gear, every blueprint, there lives a belief that the future can be built by human hands. Take a deep breath. What do you hear? Not just engines, not just steel clashing. You're hearing the heartbeat of modern industry, a symphony of intelligence, passion, and ambition. When we watch factory machines operating at insane levels, it's easy to forget one simple truth. It all started with a rough sketch, with an idea that sparked in someone's mind late at night. A human, not a robot,
laid the very first brick of the automated civilization we live in today. And it's those very people, the engineers, inventors, and workers who are writing the future of manufacturing. Every component on the production line, every line of code in the automation systems, every meticulous CAD drawing, none of it is just machine output. It's the continuation of human intelligence. We've come a long way, from tiny workshops to smart factories that can self-operate, self-learn, and even self-repair. Technology is no longer just a tool. It's a partner, loyal, powerful, and tireless. But it's still humans who lead the way. They're the ones who ask the questions, create the solutions, and dare to try what's never been done before. That's what keeps this world in motion. When a robot slices steel with nano-level precision, it's not just completing a task, it's bringing someone's imagination to life, where humans and machines work together to create miracles. In the future, industrial machines will become smarter, faster, more autonomous than ever. But no matter how far technology evolves, its true purpose will remain unchanged. Not to replace humanity, but to elevate it to a whole new level. That's why we don't just watch these machines in awe, we feel them. Because in every motion, we see a reflection of ourselves. We, the makers, the creators, the coders, the operators, we're not just building products, we're building the future. Imagine a world where factory machines and engineering technology don't just serve production, they serve life. Robotic arms helping people with disabilities move again. Automated lines generating clean energy. Smart tools making work safer and more precise than ever. That's not science fiction anymore. That's the reality we're creating every single day. And you, whether you're an engineer, a machinist, or simply a tech enthusiast, you're part of that journey. Every time you ask why, every time you take apart an engine just to understand it, every time you pause to admire a machine in motion, you're adding a heartbeat to the world of industry. So if you feel that energy, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with others who love technology like you do. Because we're not just watching machines at work, we're witnessing the evolution of humanity. And remember this, the words that close every journey of those who believe in the power of engineering. Machines don't build the future, people do. Máy móc không xây dựng tương lai, con người mới là kẻ làm điều